It may come as a surprise to learn that over half of all Britons fail to make a will. This means they have no choice over how their assets are dealt with after their death. For example, if an individual dies without making a will, leaving a spouse or civil partner and children, the partner would receive the first £250,000. According to the law, the remainder would then be split, with half going to the children and half being put in trust for the partner's lifetime, before ultimately passing to the children. Without a will, unmarried couples have very few rights. Upon the death of an individual who's cohabiting, all his or her assets would pass directly to their children. If there are no children, then all the assets are given to the deceased's parents. The partner and any stepchildren are left with nothing and have no rights to make a claim on the assets. Making a will also ensures that the executor of your estate is someone you trust and enables you to appoint suitable guardians and trustees to take care of your children and their inheritance until they are old enough to inherit in their own right. In addition, making a will may be vital for efficient inheritance tax planning. This year, UK taxpayers will give away nearly £1.3 billion to the revenue due to a lack of proper tax planning, meaning that the taxman will be a major beneficiary of their estates.